Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, southern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, DeKalb County in north central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:45 a.m. At 12:11 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing torrential rain across much of the warned area. Up to 2 inches or more of rain have already fallen on top of the heavy rain that fell on Thursday morning. 1 to 2 inches of additional rain may fall within the next hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Elgin, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Downers Grove, Glenview, Elmhurst, Lombard and Buffalo Grove. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, country roads, farmland, and other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The tornado warning for east central DeKalb and southwest